Move! Move! Get away!
I need a key. Get back.
Where's the key?
Inside the door. Door down.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
He's in there.
No, no shots fired.
No, yeah, there was a shot fired.
Hey, firm, shots fired.
Take this fucking thing down.
Go!
Go. Hey, be careful. Be careful.
Watch me! Watch me! Hands up! Where's he at? Where's he at? I'm holding it.
Drop the gun.
Drop the gun! Where's he at? Where's he at? Come here, come here! He's in the counter! Counter! That's the cover! Hold down! Where's he at? Corner right! Right corner! Right corner! Push! On me! Right corner! Right corner! Who's still shooting? Cuff him up! Cuff him up! Cuff him up!
Buddy, hang in there, alright? Hang in there, alright, buddy?
Who's got gloves? Throw gloves on.
We're gonna get you help, alright?
He's in everywhere. Where you hit?
Get in recovery position.
Polisler 27 Ekim akşam 9 sularında telsizden bir rehine olayı hakkında anons alırlar.
Oh my God, it's gonna be hostage. Where's he at? Get out of the way. Okay. I got you. Nope, it's not open. He's in there. Kick that motherfucker in. I need a key.
I don't have him inside the
Shots fired from the inside.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
He's inside. Do you see him?
Get away!
I need a key. Get back.
Where's the key?
Hey, shoot this fucking door down.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
He's in there. No, yeah, there was a shot fired. Kick this fucking thing down.
Go!
Hey, be careful. Be careful. Hey, hold your rifle long.
Push it open!
Brian!
Push the fucking door open!
Drop the fucking gun! Drop the gun! Where's he at? Where is he? Hey, get behind cover. Get behind cover. Hey, get six.
Right corner! Push! On me!
Wait.
Cuff him up!
Buddy, hang in there, all
Who's
right?
hit?
Hang in there, all right, buddy? We're gonna
Who's
get
got
you.
gloves? Throw gloves on.
We're gonna get you help, all right?
Is it everyone? Where you hit?
Get a recovery position.
I'm fucking hit.
Go for it. Officer above shooting.
4-2, I'm hit.
I'm starting EMS code 10. Where did you guys want? Let it out. We're gonna need medical. Get medical here. Check. Do I have any officers hit?
4-2, I'm hit. Tourniquet applied.
Bu olayda bir polis memuru hafif yaralanırken şüpheli ağır yaralı şekilde gözaltına alındı. İlgili makamlardan resmi bir açıklama henüz gelmedi. Ayrıca bu tarz videolar için bizi takip etmeyi unutmayın.